Hi everybody, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. It's Jen and I'm going to show you how to make a mermaid tail out of gum paste for your cupcakes or cakes without a mold. That's right, so let's do it. Are you tired of seeing the same decorations over and over again? Do you wish you could see something new? Then send me your pictures because I'd love to show them off. So send them to me, I'll show them off, I'll brag about them for you, and there you go. But here we are for real now. Okay, mermaid tail time, people. I've mixed two colors together, purple and blue, and when I mixed them together, it kind of made it look more blue and pink, but pretend that the color's purple. Okay, how's that? And yeah, so you cut a small piece because this was going to go on top of a cupcake, so it can't be too big. You make kind of like a little head on top, and then you flatten it out to the side. See how I did that? I made a manatee tail, basically. We're already partially there. Take your manatee tail, slice it in half, just like you did there. And now you've got more like a Mickey Mouse head or a mouse-like head. Can't say Mickey Mouse, right? Trademarked or something. Anyway, all right. Taking my veining tool, I'm using the fat end of it, and I'm pulling down and out to the side, as you can see, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we've got already a cute little fishy tail going, but we're going to go further. So now we're taking the skinny side of the veining tool and doing 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 4 or so, in order to make it a little more detailed, a little more flared out. Okay. Okay, so you got your tail, you got your little fins coming out, and you see I'm kind of pulling out from the sides and pushing down in the middle a little bit. Just see how it kind of gives it more a little angle to the end of the tail there. Then you got to turn it over and figure out how to get the marks into the back of the tail without losing them in the front. And this is the only thing I couldn't figure out how to avoid, like the mold does beat me on that one, but otherwise you don't have to get a mold. This is, like I said, this is easy to do without one. I got myself my lollipop stick, ram my big old fat fish tail down on there, and as you can see, as you push it down, it stretches it out, it thins it out. I'm cutting off the extra because, you know, it's going on a cupcake, not on a cake. And this is just a straw that I have. I want to say it's like a margarita straw, like one of those little straws, but not a coffee swizzle. I cut off half of it to make kind of like a happy face. And yeah, I'm using it to press fin print, or not fin prints, scale prints into the tail. I went all over the tail, all around it, tried to make it nice and neat, try not to overlap it too much. Now to let it dry, I hung it upside down overnight, so that way the tail part was down, and that way the fin stayed outward when it dried. Sprayed it with a little edible shimmer, as you see right there. This shimmer I used was just white, I think, or pearl they call it. And I'm using the paper towel to kind of polish it up because it came out a little bit thicker than I wanted. The shimmer part did. But yeah, so there you go. Hang them, sculpt it out, hang it upside down to dry, and spray it if you want to. If not, don't. It doesn't matter. But you got yourself a tail. You didn't have to buy a mold. You can do it yourself. It's easy. All right. Please check out my other videos. Please like and subscribe. And again, thank you for watching Caketastic Cakes.